Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the keyboard safe. Power it off and remove batteries so you avoid shorts. Once done, open the case to access the cable bundle and identify the 4 USB wires, V+, D, D+, G, and D. Make sure to gather tools, stripper, soldering iron or crimp connectors, flux, and heat shrink. You do this to ensure clean connections and prevent signal loss. Having everything ready speeds the splice and reduces risk of damaging traces. Now you strip about 3 to 5 millimeters of insulation from each corresponding wire. Match colors carefully, red to V+, white to D, green to D+, black to ground, because USB signaling depends on correct pairing and polarity. You then tin wires, apply flux, and either solder solid joints or use quality crimp connectors for a reliable contact. Once connected, slide heat shrink over each joint and shrink it. This prevents shorts and stabilizes mechanical finish by securing the cable's strain relief and reassembling the shell so the splice won't flex during use. You then plug the keyboard into a USB port and verify that LEDs power up and keys register. This confirms proper data and power lines. If something doesn't work, make sure to recheck continuity and wire order with a multimeter, inspect for shorts, and resolder any cold joints. One key troubleshooting tip. Swapped D+ and D or a missed ground are the most common culprits. Fixing that usually restores function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.